So another dietary consideration for people who have chronic fatigue or long COVID is trans fatty acids. And trans fatty acids are those that are created in some artificial processing of foods, like making chips, would be one way. Another way would be if you're cooking things with animal fats, or if you're just consuming a large amount of um, meats and animal products, you can get trans fatty acids in your system. And they do pretty much the same thing, perhaps to a higher degree than what saturated fats do, and that is to make your cells stiffer. They make the membrane less compliant, and as a result, things cannot enter and exit the cell as efficiently as they could otherwise. But perhaps more importantly, they do that to mitochondria, which are your batteries, and so they make it more difficult for the mitochondria to pass on the negative charge that builds inside them as they're going through the process of respiration and creating energy for your cells. And so when these trans fatty acids are in high concentration, then the cholesterol is extruded from the cell. And one of the things that happens, you get high cholesterol because the cholesterol is in your bloodstream where it doesn't belong. Instead, it should be in your membranes and the cells and in the mitochondria, keeping them nice and pliable and capable of exchanging what they need to exchange with the outside. So avoiding sources of trans fatty acids and also saturated fatty acids is an important concept for people who are suffering with chronic fatigue.